Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install VirtualBox, which is a hypervisor for installing virtual machines. And we'll be installing this on a Windows 10 device. So let's go ahead and get the latest version downloaded, and then we'll install it. So go ahead and open a browser. We'll open a browser here. We'll search for VirtualBox download. Then we'll go to virtualbox.org, and once we get to the site, you'll see they have different options depending on what operating system you're running. Since we are running Windows 10, we'll go with the Windows host, and as you can see, the newest version is 7.1.6. so click on Windows host, and it should begin the download. The file size is 117 megabytes. And it's done. Let's minimize this, and now we can go to our downloads folder. This is it right here. So to install it, just double click on it, click yes, click next, I accept, next, next, yes, yes, next, install. We'll click finish here. So this is it. Now they've made a few changes to VirtualBox in the latest version. So for instance, the icon changed from what it used to be before. Now when it comes to creating virtual machines, you'll need like an ISO image, and once you have your ISO image, you can go ahead and create a new virtual machine by clicking new here, or going to machine and clicking new, and then you name your virtual machine. If it's let's say Linux Mint, then you'll select the location where you want it to be installed. You'll select your ISO image, the type of operating system, subtype, then you click next. You select your memory and processor. Next, you select, you can increase or decrease a hard disk depending on the requirements. You click next and you can finish. Now you have your virtual machine. You can still make changes. You can go to right click, go to settings, and here there's different options. Network, storage. You can attach your ISO image here if you had to, and there's different options here. And to start your virtual machine, you can click on start, or you can right click and click on start here. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install the latest version of VirtualBox, which is 7.1.6 on a Windows 10 machine. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.